Social media network analytics. What is social media network analytics? Social media network analytics deals with constructing, analyzing, and understanding social media networks. Networks are the building blocks of social media and carry useful business insights. Purpose of network analysis: understand the overall network structure, that is, number of nodes, number of links with which the nodes are connected. So these are the links and these are the nodes. Density, clustering coefficient, and diameter. Find influential nodes and their rankings, degree, betweenness and closeness, centralities. Find important links and their ranking weights, betweenness and centrality. Find cohesive subgroups, pinpointing communities within a network. Investigate multiplexity, analyzing comparisons between different link types such as friends versus enemies. Common network terms: network, social network site, social networking, and social network analysis. So what do you mean by a network? At a very basic level, a network is a group of nodes that are connected with links. So what is a network? A group of nodes connected with links. This is a network. There are a group of nodes and these nodes are connected with the help of these links. Nodes can represent individuals, organizations, countries, computer websites, or any other entities. Links represent the relationship among the nodes, that is, whether there is a friendship, triad. This is an example of a triad. Then a trade relationship is there between the three countries, whether there is friendship between the three countries or three individuals. Authorship, hyperlinks. Social networks. A social network is a group of nodes and links formed by social entities, where nodes can represent social entities such as people and organization. Real world social network. A network among classmates is an example of real world social network. So what is a real world social network? A network among the classmates. What is an online social network? A Twitter following network is an example of online social network. Social network sites. A social network site is a special purpose software or social media tool designed to facilitate the creation and maintenance of social relationship. Example: Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat. These are what? They are social network sites. Because what they do, they try to maintain the social relationship between the people. So you have following friends on LinkedIn, you're following people on Instagram, on Facebook. So what do? They help you to form a network to maintain social relations. Social networking. The act of forming, expanding, and maintaining social relations is called social networking. So when you do social networking, what happens? It helps you to find a job easily. For example, why? Because by expanding your social network, you get a lot of people to connect with and to understand what's going on, what is the job situation. So using social network sites, users can, for example, form, expand, and maintain online social ties with family, friends, colleagues, and sometimes strangers. Social network analysis. What is social network analysis? Is the science of studying and understanding social networks. Has roots in variety of fields: graph theory, sociology, information science, and communication science. Common social media network types. Now, what are the types of social media? We understood the terms which are related with a social media. What are the common terms? We have understood the 4 terms. Now we understand what are the network types. Friendship networks, following networks, fan network, group network, professional networks, content networks, dating networks, co-authorship networks, co-commenter networks, co-like, co-occurrence network, geo-coexistent network, and hyperlink networks. Types of networks. The above mentioned networks can be classified in a variety of ways, including based on existence, based on direction of links, based on mode, and based on weight. So these many networks are there. Common networks are there, and they can be classified on the basis of these four parameters. You can say they can be classified on the basis of these four parameters. Let's see each one. Network based on their existence. So there are two types, implicit and explicit. What do you mean by implicit networks? Implicit networks do not exist by default or are hidden and need to be intentionally constructed with the help of dedicated tools and techniques. Whereas explicit networks, they exist by default. In other words, they are explicitly designed for social media users to be a part of. Networks based on direction. Directed networks. A network with directed links among nodes is called as a directed network. Undirected network, the links among the nodes do not have any direction. So directed networks, undirected, weighted networks, one mode network, two mode network, unweighted network, types of social media network. Network based on mode. One mode network. A one mode network is formed among a single set of nodes of same nature. So all the nodes should be of same nature. Two mode network is also known as a bipartite networks, are networks with two sets of nodes of different classes. Multi-mode network. A multi-mode network is also possible where multiple heterogeneous nodes are connected together. So a larger network where there are many possible connections. Network based on weights. Weight networks. In weight networks, the link among the nodes bear certain weights to indicate the strength of association among the nodes. For example, between 1 and 2 or between A and B, there is weight 5. That means this is the weighted network. And A to B, this is a unweighted directional network. Unweighted networks, links among the nodes does not bear weights. Node level properties. Degree centrality, betweenness centrality, eigenvector centrality, structural holes. Network level properties. Clustering coefficient, density, components, diameter, average, degree. Network analytics tools. NodeXL. NodeXL is a free tool for social network analysis and visualization. It can help you construct and analyze Facebook networks based on co-likes and co-comments, Twitter networks, followers, following and tweets, and YouTube networks, user network and comments, among others. Next is UCINET. UCINET is a social network analysis software for Windows operating system. It also includes NetDraw tool for network visualization. It can be downloaded and used for free for 90 days. Mention Map. This online tool is used to investigate Twitter mentions network. Pajek is a software application for analyzing and visualizing large networks. Pajek runs on Microsoft Windows operating systems and is free for non-commercial use. That is office use, it is not free, but for personal use it is free. Netminer. Netminer is also a software application for large social network analysis and visualization. The application can be free for 28 days. Flocker is a Twitter real-time retweets and mentions network analytics tool. Reach is an online platform to map hashtag networks and identify the most influential accounts in Twitter conversations. So these tools are very, very important. All these need to be known. Next is, do social media networks reflect social culture? This is a case study. Do they reflect social culture? What do you think? You need to know the problem, the solution, and the results.